Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple technique to keep and store the ripe mango for later consumption for 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year. But first of all, I would like to shout out and say thank you to Madam Kuan, my neighbor, who sent us a fruit basket with 10 of this giant mango. I have already cut 2, but the mango is still seems a lot and it's getting ripe. And beside the mango, she also sent this Japanese melon. And here is the grape as well. This grape is very sweet. We are so grateful to receive the fruit basket from Madam Kuan. Thank you very much. But today we are going to focus on how to keep the mango. For the melon and the grapes, we sure can finish it. Altogether, we have 10 of the giant mango. This mango is really huge. It's bigger than my palm. So we have cut and ate 2 of it, and it's very sweet. All right, some is already ripe and some is still green. So this one is soft, but I think it still can keep it outside for another couple of days. For this one is very soft already. It's very ripe, so this one have to cut. Altogether we have 5 ripe mango. First you need to wash the mango, which I have done it. So, and you're gonna need ice tray like this. So today I have 3. I'm not sure if it's enough. So how I cut the mango, I'm going to cut the head off and cut it like that. Cut it very deep until we reach the seed. See? Okay, and then we're going to make a small cut like this. Right, once you can open up the mango like that, so the mango will open up, it's easy to cut later. So I'm going to use a knife to just slice it here. And do the same thing from the other side. Just hold it firmly so you can easily slide it. Just need to be careful, don't cut your own finger. Okay, so the mango like that. We'll do the same thing. You can cut it small or big, is up to you, right? So we just bend it like that. Alright, now you got the mango cube. So if you're not familiar with the technique just now, you can just cut it off, remove all the skin with the peeler. Alright, and then just cut it like that. For this one, you need to use a chopping board. Then just alright, both way is possible, but to cut it in the first method is we have less contact on the mango pieces. So, but cut in this way, you need to make sure that you wash your hand and the chopping board is clean and stuff like that. After we cut the mango, we're going to fill the mango cube into the ice tray. Alright, one mango we managed to put it in one ice tray. So if your ice tray have the cover, you just cover it and put it in the freezer. For those who don't have enough ice tray, or maybe you have a lot of ripe mango and just 1 or 2 ice tray might not be enough to store the mango, you can use a container or Tupperware like this, and you just after cut the mango, you can just put it in the container, or you can cut it straight away into the container. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up all the cutting. Alright, 3 tray. And there got some I'm going to fill up this. So we have a lot of mango to eat for the next couple of months. So I'm going to put it in the freezer. For the seed, still can be eaten. So you just need to remove the skin here. Like that. And can be eaten just like that. I'm going to keep for my husband. He loves to eat mango seed. Alright, these are the mango that has been kept in the freezer and it's frozen. And to see the difference of these two way of how we keep. For this, if we keep in the big container like this, when we want to eat, we have to thaw the whole Tupperware, and it is very difficult to just take it out because it's hard. So basically, it's still okay if you leave it outside and thaw it for about 30 minutes or 40 minutes, and then we can start eating the mango. But for the mango that we put in the ice tray, right, it is also frozen, and it's easy that we just take it out like that. If we want to eat, we can just take one by one like that. So for now, it's already frozen, so I'm going to remove it from the ice tray and keep it in the container, so we can just take it out and do like that. See, it is frozen mango piece by piece, so it's easy. Whenever you want to eat, you just take 1 or 2 and eat it like that. Alright, we have the ripe mango in the form of the ice cube. When you want to eat, you just take out 1 or 2 cubes like that, and then you can have it for the ice cold mango. Very nice and chill. And once we remove it from the ice tray, we have to quickly put it back into the freezer before it clumps together like this. Alright, that's all how to keep and store the ripe mango for later consumption. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my kitchen tips like this. Thank you and bye bye. This needs to go back into the freezer. This one as well.